Hi everybody. I just wanted to hand out a few reminders about house points, and I thought it'd be easier if I spoke through it rather than wrote an email, which might not be particularly clear to everybody. Okay. First of all, and I've put it down at the bottom of the screen, it should be at the top of the screen. First of all, and most importantly, I want to say a huge thank you to everybody for getting on board with the new way of recording house points. I know that some people were a bit confused at the beginning, and I know that some people have worked really hard with their colleagues to get them understanding exactly what to do. So if you have asked somebody for help, thank you for doing that. If you have given your help, thank you for doing that. If you're doing it in good time, which everybody is doing now, very, 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 very many thanks. I really do appreciate it. It's reduced the amount of time that I have to spend calculating the house points hugely the way we're doing it this year, so it's much better. Just a couple of little, we need to get to be doing it really, really, really accurately now, so just a couple of little things to remember. Can you let me or Mr. Darren know as soon as you get a new child into class so that we can check that we've included those new children in, they have already been included in one of the houses, but that we've got them on the right lists in the right places so that a child from their first week can start earning dojo points and therefore possibly house points. Can you remember to reset your class dojo points to 0 after you've sent me the house points for that week, so that every week we're starting off on 0, so that we're not getting the same people getting the bigger totals every week necessarily. Okay, so this was the bit that I wanted to explain in words. Years 1 to 5, you should be giving points to your 15 top scorers. KG in year 6, you should be giving points to your 10 top scorers. No more, no less. I need to get 15 different names from 1 to 5 and 10 names from KG and 6. Previously, we've done it so that somebody might get 2 house points in a week if they've really had a spectacular week. Please, can we not do that? Can everybody just get 1 house point? Sometimes people have been sending me, say, 12 house points for the week. And looking at the dojo points, I can understand why you've done that you've maybe given your top 12 people a house point, top 12 scorers. So you've only got 3 left to give, and you look and there are 6 people with the same amount of house points. Okay, so I don't want you to give me all 6 of those people because that would take you over 15. You need to look and think, okay, just use your judgment, who out of those 6 people have had the best week? What have they done? Who's had a really good week? And give the 3 house points to those. Okay, because what we want is to have the 15 different names from 1 to 5 and the 10 different names from KG and 6. Okay, I really hope it's all clear. Thank you and have a good day, and thank you for your house points.